with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Archer and I'm the third grade math teacher. I chose Flocabulary because it combines music, rhythm, and visuals to help students really connect with the content in a fun and engaging way. As you can see from this video, the students really enjoy Flocabulary. This is where the students will go into the module, Flocabulary and Discussion. They have the introduction to fives and tens, which is a worksheet that will be used as a warm-up guide. In this, we do still use both online and written materials. So for this section of the warm-up, they will write down the problems or solve the problems in their math journals and then turn their math journals in before going to the next session in the module, which will be the vocabulary video. Now here at this portion, the students will go back into Flocabulary. They will click on the Flocabulary video, click into the link once they get into the video. As you can see, the steps are color-coded for my ELD students. They will then click on the link. This will take them to Flocabulary. Once they're in Flocabulary, they will complete all of the assignments given to them. Once they submit Flocabulary, they will then be advised to go into the discussion question. When we started the lesson, we watched the vocabulary video for multiples of 5 and 10, and the catchy beat immediately captured their attention. The song breaks down the concept of skip counting, helping students understand how multiples are patterns we can recognize and use in math. Now, after the video, we use the vocab cards. This allows students to either draw a picture of the vocabulary word or write a sentence using it. It's a great way to support different types of learners, especially my visual and ELD students, because they get to interact with the math language in a way that makes sense to them. Next, we jump to the vocab game, which was a fun and interactive way for students to check their understanding of terms like multiple, skip count, and pattern. From there, the students went to break it down and read in response, which helped us move into This helped the students move into more independent practice. It really gave students a chance to explain their thinking and apply what they learned from the song into a meaningful way. We wrap up with a quiz, which I used to check for understanding, and the lyric lab, where students could actually create their own rap or poem using the vocabulary. That piece brought in creativity and reinforced their learning in a whole new way. I love using Flocabulary because it brings energy into the classroom while meeting learning goals. It's a powerful tool for technology integration because it's multiple model, student-centered, and aligned with standards. I'm always looking for ways to make math meaningful, and this was a great way to do that. Now, once the students have completed their vocabulary portion of the module, they'll go back in to Canvas and they will discuss with their peers how vocabulary helped them understand multiplying using fives and tens, and they will then submit. When they discuss, they have to reply with at least 2 to 3 sentences for their discussion question and reply to at least 2 peers with 2 to 3 sentences as well. And this will wrap up our vocabulary discussion in Canvas.
Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer.